Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Today let's prepare a delicious restaurant style Gobi Manchurian. This is really very easy to prepare and the taste is amazing. So let's get started. Check out the ingredients. I am taking 500 grams of cauliflower. I have already cleaned the cauliflower and cut into pieces. First step is to boil this cauliflower. For that, in a pan, add enough water and salt into it. When it starts to boil, let's add this cauliflower and let's boil this for 5 minutes. Now let's strain the water by using colander or a strainer. Now to make the cauliflower crispy, let's make a batter by adding 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Then add enough salt and half a teaspoon of paprika powder and quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Give it a good mix. For this, let's add water little by little. We need to make a thick batter for this so that it coats well. The batter is ready. The consistency is perfect. Let's add in the boiled cauliflower florets and mix well. Let it coat well and keep it aside for half an hour. Now let's deep fry this gobis. The oil is hot enough. Let's add one gobi at a time and deep fry it. Don't add too many pieces at once. Let's fry it in batches. Fry it till it becomes golden in color, approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Now continue the same process with the leftover gobi florets. For the sauce, heat a pan, add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is heated, let's add in chopped ginger and garlic. Saute it well. Saute it for 1 minute. Once the flavor disappears, let's add in 1 finely chopped onion. Here I am using a medium onion. It should be finely chopped. Now saute it well till it changes its color. Now let's add in finely chopped 1 tablespoon of spring onion and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Let's saute it for 1 minute. Now everything is well sauteed. Let's add in 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. Now goes in enough salt into it. Add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a quarter teaspoon of ajjinamotto and a pinch of food color. I am using red food color. This is completely optional. You can skip if you don't want. In restaurant, they used to add food color so that we used to get the Gobi Manchurian in red color. So if you want to add the food color, you can add or else you can skip this. Now goes in 1 glass of hot water. Better to use hot water. And if you want dry Gobi Manchurian, you can skip this step and you can add the fried gobi at this time. Give it a good mix. Let it come to boil. When it starts to boil, add in the fried gobis and mix it well. Once the gobis are well combined, let's add in 1 tablespoon of spring onion, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of capsicum and 1 tablespoon of diced onion. Sorry, the video was not on at this time. You can see here the diced capsicum and onions. Now let's give it a good mix and let's cook it for 2 more minutes. The sauce will become little bit thick. Now the restaurant style gobi manchurian is perfectly cooked. Let's serve this delicious gobi manchurian. So friends, try this and let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy this video, then it's time to like, share and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. So see you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.